Troubleshooting an LG refrigerator that has no power. If your LG refrigerator will not power on, the issue can often be easily resolved with a few troubleshooting steps. Let's begin by checking the compartment lights to see if there might be a refrigerator malfunction. If the lights do not turn on, the issue is most likely with the power cord, the wall outlet, or the circuit supplying power to the unit. Unplug the refrigerator and check the power cord for any visible damage. If you do not see any, plug the refrigerator back in, making sure the plug is inserted fully. After that, turn the circuit breaker to the unit off and then back on. Note that if the circuit breaker is off or a fuse is blown, the unit will have no power. If the unit still does not power on, you should check the wall outlet. Test another electronic device you know to be working, such as a clock radio or hairdryer, on the outlet that the refrigerator is plugged into. If the outlet is not working, contact an electrician to repair it. If the outlet is working, you should check the dedicated circuit. Your LG refrigerator requires a 120-volt AC, 15-amp dedicated circuit. It is important to note that if the circuit used for the refrigerator provides power to other outlets as well, then the required power supply will not be available for the refrigerator. This will prevent the unit from powering on even when plugged in. If the refrigerator is not on a dedicated circuit, an electrician will need to rewire the outlet accordingly. If these troubleshooting steps have checked out fine and the refrigerator still will not power on, then it will require repair service. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.